please like and subscribe, because the videos that you watch on my channel will actually help you to make better life decisions. Simple fact.
So, apparently, Lord of the Rings had lightsabers the whole time. They were just holding out on us. Now all I gotta do is just take my lightsaber hobbits, or orcs, and take on a whole city of about 50 guys. No big deal. Well, I'd say this plan is going well. Yep, very well.
Sometimes we think that we can make it through life's challenges on our own. But other times, we just need help from a friend. Or a neighbor.
I'll be your neighbor. We got this. Hey guys, this is Jonathan, the PC Smith. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Battle for Middle-earth on both Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now, I'm using Windows 8, but either way, if you're using 7 or 8, the steps are the exact same. The first step to fixing the game is actually the only step that's different between Windows 7 and Windows 8. So I'm going to show you first how to do it on Windows 7, then I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows 8. For Windows 7, go down to the Start menu, go up to Computer, then this bar up here where it says Tools, click that, go to Folder Options, click the View tab, scroll down and it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Make sure that that is checked. Then 2 spots down it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. We don't want those hidden, so uncheck that. Click Apply and OK. For Windows 8, it's a little bit different. You go to this file folder icon that's in the taskbar, click that, and then instead of going to Tools, you're going to go to View up here in the top bar. Go to the far right where it says Options, click the down arrow. It says Change Folder and Search Options, click that. Click the View tab, and then it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Check that. And then 2 spots down it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Uncheck that. We want to make sure that we do see those. Click Apply. OK. From here on out, the steps are the exact same for Windows 7 and Windows 8. Double-click on the drive where your game is installed. Then go to Users. Click on whichever user you are. Then click App Data. Go to Roaming. Then go to My Battle for Middle-earth Files. Anywhere in this window, you can right-click, go down to New, then go to Text Document. You're going to change the name to Options. You're going to change the last little bit, TXT, to INI. Press Enter, and then say Yes. Then double-click on what we just created here. In this notepad area, I'll make it a little bit bigger, you'll want to copy all of this text in there. Now, I'll type this in the description below in this video, so you can just copy it from there. You don't have to type every single thing out, but you want to have all of this in there. The only thing that might be different, this is depending on what your monitor size is, will be the resolution. So you can change the resolution to whatever your native monitor resolution is. So 1600 by 900, 1280 by 720, whatever the resolution of your monitor is, put that specific resolution. Then just go up to File in the corner, go to Save, then you can exit out of this. Now you can just start your game up and it should run just fine.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Once you see these advertisements, you're golden. It will work. Now, once you get the game running, you can go to Options, and hopefully your computer will set it to Ultra High. Now, if you go into the game and you play and you find that the textures are actually really blurry and they look like as if they were low textures, it may be because you need to go back into Options in the graphics. When it says Detail, click on Custom, and then sometimes these two are capped, the particle and the texture detail. Sometimes they'll be all the way down to here, and you'll have to put it back all the way up, and you'll have to put it on custom settings. And that might be a result of why the game looks the way it does. But most of the time, it will just work with UltraHigh, and you don't have to worry about anything else, and you can enjoy the game. All right, you're done. If you like the way the game is running and it's smooth and there aren't any graphical problems, then great. But for those of you who are still experiencing issues, maybe some bugs or crashing or graphical problems, there are several patches that you can download, and I will show you where those are at. Go ahead and pull up your internet, and you can Google Battle for Middle-earth patches. Then go down to the third one from the top where it says version 1.03 from Gamer Plays, or Gamer ePlays. Click on that. Then click on whatever language you're using. And then just hit run, and then you download it that way. For the next patch, you'll actually need a file extracting program. So something like WinZip or 7-Zip. If you don't have either one of those or anything like it, then you can just Google get 7-Zip. It's free. You just click on download 7-Zip. And then either 32-bit version if you have that for your operating system, or 64-bit version, and then just click the download link and follow it from there. Then go back to Battle for Middle-earth patches in Google, and then click on this one where it says patch 1.05, and it's from moddb.com. Then you're going to scroll down where this Balrog thing is and click the downloads, then get patch 1.05. Then download, and hit save as in your downloads file, and then just save. Exit that, exit that. Then click the file folder icon and go to downloads. Then where it says patch 1.05 zip, right click. And if you have 7-zip, just highlight it and then go over to extract files. If you have WinZip, go over and extract files too. I like using 7-zip. And then it says extract to. Where do you want to extract it? Go to your computer, then go to whatever drive the game is installed. Programs times 66, EA Games, then Battle for Middle-earth. Just select that. Once you go to extract the files and you say OK, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. Do you want to replace this file? Do you want to replace this file? Do you want to replace this file? Just say yes to all. With this patch installed, you should be able to run the game without the CD, which is really cool. You don't have to carry that around everywhere. Also, it skips all the advertisement intros, so the EA Games, the New Line Cinema, the Pentium advertisement, all that, and goes straight to the main menu of the game. For the final patch, you're going to go to the third one down when you type in Google Battle for Middle-earth patches. Third one down where it says patch 1.06, and it's from forshire.blogspot.com. Then you'll just scroll down. These are some of the fixes that it does. Movement bug fixes, original colors, better sound, and also HD unit graphics, so improves the graphics of the character models a little bit. And the way you download it is just go down to here where it says download the installer, click that, you hit run, then user account control will come up and you just say yes, allow it to make changes. This screen will pop up and just hit next. You can read the license agreement if you want to, probably won't though. And then, yes, you want to send it to the Battle for Middle-earth folder. And click Install. Now you're all done. All right, so with those patches installed, you shouldn't really experience any more problems in the game. And this particular patch that we just installed, it now hooks you up to servers if you want to play multiplayer. You don't have to play multiplayer, but now this patch allows you to access those multiplayer servers if you want to. And it also increases compatibility with widescreen monitors. So anything bigger than 1080p, it won't look stretched on the screen and the image won't look kind of funny. It will fit the screen how it's supposed to.